I look different. We're so ready! Studio day 2.
And I keep coming back.
We're going for the 3rd time!
Peace out. I'm on new days on that mood swings. I'll be back, but you can reach out.
Yeah, it's like Hey guys! Hi. Welcome back! We're in Universal Studio Hollywood today! Yay! That was so that is so cute. We are going to studio tour and there's no way. It's an hour. 60 minutes to 70 minutes. That is crazy. That is so crazy.
We also want to make sure that
We're so ready. It is so cute.
updates to the Universal Television. So first. They shoot the Los Angeles qualifying rounds for American Ninja Warrior. And those glasses ready. Adventure awaits him.
That looks so funny. Oh my god.
No. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Oh, Mexico, you see it's all that says on the Universal Rock.
This is where John Wayne and Jimmy Stewart shot a few of their westerns.
This could be any of those places.
Back at home.
Simply by changing the language on the sign.
You live here, right?
Yeah, I live here. Oh, that's my.
Oh, it's so hot.
Hey, Norman! Okay, wait, Norman, we won't say anything. I swear, we can keep it secret. Get it.
Should we put the glasses on? Yeah. I think so.
It's about to get real interesting.
Now, or you won't get fried!
Skip bus in the parking lot, smoking with your friends. Girl, I know we don't talk a lot, but I'm wondering, can I get your number before you walk away? We could sneak out on the weekend. Give me the time and place. Tell me, what do you say? Raise up, knees up. I can nervous just to look at you. I do.
Inside the vehicle at all times. Please supervise children to ensure everyone has their own seat. Children may not sit on
Family. Oh,
He's just a big, bald
有雷区有的法干。
Is it with like dolphins?
Y'all doing today? Battle stations! Hey, get to that tower and on that water cannon. Get the girl. Frankie! Mariner!
Walt read the fine on those waivers he was supposed to sign. We can't even see what happens. So why not make it?
Looking for you like a satellite. So if you wanna dip, let's dip. Baby, there's a spot that nobody knows.
Sideways identified. How's I do under something?
I look different. The mummy ride, looking nice. I don't know. I don't know. Go all the way down, like your hands. You have to go. That's pretty good. I'm sure. It looks so weird.
You drive yourself, right?
Looking for you like a satellite. So if you wanna dip, let's dip. Baby, there's a spot that nobody knows. We could take a little trip. If you feel it and you're comfortable, then I'm wondering.
I'm getting a work today.
And you guys will start off the second line right there. Okay. All vendors.
Bless you.
Penny here to witness the lawns fitting. Of course, you're very welcome here. However, I must ask for your complete cooperation and very interesting magic about you, my dear. Has anyone ever told you this? It's true. Shall we try a little magic?
going to take it. Hi, yeah, I'm gonna take my one. Oh, thank you. You too. Thank you. Let's just walk there. Alright. Point it. My name is on it. Forward. Hello, Brad. We finished our last ride of today. We've done all the rides today.
Yeah, everything. It's now almost 12
hours. See you tomorrow. Today is Universal Studio Day 2. This is our second time of this ride. Oh yeah, we're already gonna get it. That is really cute. You are really cute. You are so We're going for the third time. Yes. Woo! Sorry. That's all. Christian, go. Let's go. Nothing happened.
Oh, I have a better idea.
I'm kidding.
We should buy the mushrooms from Mario today.
Yeah. So we're doing the VIP row now.
Yeah, we have money, that's why we better.
Yeah. You know. We're stuck. We're stuck. Did you see that?
Second car there, please. Thank you. My name's Kevin. I'm your tour guide. We're gonna head off to one of the chic red that are filming at that exact moment, and I gotta stop my jibber jabber.
It's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. Can't wait for the long day.
Hi, good. Yeah.
What is your name?
I'm Chloe.
Nice to meet you, Chloe.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
What is your name? Chloe and Katrina.
Turning my sky blue.